Hello, my dear students. I am your maths teacher, Ovis Samanto. Hope you are all well. Today we are going to start self practice 5C from your LCM chapter, operations on large number. Last day we have learned division, some properties of division, division by multiples of 10. Today I am going to learn the division of the large numbers. Okay, so divide. Question number 3. Look, here it is given. So this number is called what? This number is called dividend, and this number is called divisor. That means you are dividing this number by 89. Is it clear? Okay, so how to write? You have to write in this way: the divisor here and here 7903018. Okay, so my dear students, please learn the technique to divide large numbers. Is it clear? Okay, so when you divide, you are counting the table of this number, counting the table of divisor, but 89 table, you know, okay, this is quite impossible. So if you know, that is good, but how to do? No need to remember the table of 89. Is it clear? So first we will see here how many digit? 2 digit. So if you take here 2 digits, 79, but it is smaller, so we will check for 790. As it is smaller, so we take the next digit also, 790. We are checking for this 790. Okay, now I will check. Look, what is this digit? 8. So just count the table of 8. Okay, so 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, but what is there? 79. That means there is a chance of this number is go by 8. Let's see. 89 and 9. 1 72, 72 and 8 80. Look, 801. No, it is more than this number. So what we will take? We will take the previous digit. So previous of 9, it is 8, so 89 and 8, so 80, 72, 64 and 8, 70, 64 and 7, 64 and 7, 712. Is it clear? So it is go by 8, so 712. Let's do the subtraction. So it is 8 and it is also 7. Okay, 2, it is also 7. Now what we will do after subtraction? So just take down one digit. Okay, that is the 3. Okay, the next digit you take down 3. Now the numbers become 783. So my dear students, by 8 it is 712. Okay, so what number you will take? But by 9 it is 801. That means more. This number is between 712 and 801. That means obviously it will go by 8. So again take by 8. Already done. Okay, so 1 7. Next what we will do? This 0 will come down. Okay, 0. Now what is the number? 710. But what you are already on 712. So it is smaller. That means you have to take the previous digit of 8. That means 89 you have to take 7. So do it. 63, 6, 7, 56, 56 and 6, 62. So by 7 it is 6 to 3. By 7 it is 6 to 3. So it is 7 3 8 0. Now what will do? Take the next digit, that means 1. Now look here, 871. Look, by 9 it is 801, and it is more. That means it is obviously go by 9. Okay, you cannot take by 10. That's why obviously it will go by 9. So it is 0. It is 7. Now this number will come here 8. Okay, so which number will take? Look, by 8 it is 712, by 7 it is 623. That means it is between these two numbers, so obviously it will go by 7. Okay, so by 7, 6 2 3, then 5 and 8. Look, there is no digit. That means this becomes the remainder. Is it clear? So easy. Okay, no need to memorize the table of 89, no need to memorize the table of the divisor. Okay, so therefore write what is quotient and what is remainder. Therefore quotient is equal to this. Look, this is the quotient, this is the quotient, and remainder is equal to 85. Okay, hope you understand it. So question number 4, this is given in this way, you have to write here. This is, so from here is the answer. Okay, first write in this way. Okay, now first what we will check here, how many digit? 3. Take first 3 digit. Yes, 3 digit it is greater. If it is smaller, then we take next digit also, so it is greater. So obviously by it will be go by 1, because if you take by 2 it will be 16. Okay, then 1600 something. So by 1 this, so it is 5, it is 2. Okay, so it is 5 and it is 2. So what we will do, this 4 will come down. Okay, now my dear student, look, 254, but here 884, it is smaller. Okay, so what you have to do, that means you cannot take by 1, so less than 1, 0, so take for 0. So 0 0 0, if you multiply 0 and this number, it will be obviously by 0. So 4 5 2, now take 0. Is it clear? Okay, now take 0. So when this number is smaller, take by 0. Okay, when the number is smaller, take by 0. Okay, then take this digit. So now what you will do? Do you know the table of 844? No need to memorize the table of 844. Look it here. What is the number? 8. But what is the number? 25. So count the table of 8. So 8 3s are 24. Let's check for 3. Is this number? It will go by 3. It will be 2, 12, 13, and 24, 25. Look, this is smaller. So by 3, 2, 5, 3, 2. Okay, minus 8. No digit is left. That means this becomes the remainder. Okay. So write quotient is equal to 103 and remainder is equal to 8. Is it clear? So my dear student, our next sum is 6. So first this is the divisor and this is the dividend. Okay, so let's check this sum. How to do? Count the digit, 3 digit. If you take 3 digit, look, it is smaller. So what you have to do? You have to take 4 digit. That means you have to check for 6326. Is it clear? Up to this you already learned. Now we will see for what. Look, it is 6 and here 63. If you count the table, 6 tens are 60, but you cannot take 10. So check for 9. Let's check. 6 9 4 and 9. 6 carry 3, 80, 81 81 3, 84, 54 54 and 8, 62. 6 2 4 6. Okay, so by 9 it is 6 2 4 6. Is it clear? Okay, so 0 8, that's all. Now take 4. Look here 6 and here 8. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. It will be more if you take by 2. Okay, so let's check. It will, if you take 2, what will be the problem? 6 9 4 and 2. Look, 8 18 12 13. Look, this is greater, so you cannot take 2. So by 1. Okay, so just by seeing this you can choose which number it will go. Okay, so by 1 6 9 4, so 0 1 and 1. Is it clear? Now by 4. Now by 4, what it will do? Look, it is 6 and it is 11. You cannot take here 2 also. Okay, so by again by 1. So again by 1 6 9 4. So if you subtract 0 1 and here it is 7, it is 4. Look, no digit here. This becomes the remainder. So you write quotient is equal to 911 and remainder is equal to 410. Is it clear, my dear student? So my dear students, we will do question number 7. First write in this way. Okay, so in the same way, what we will check? First check the digit. 260, 3 digit. Here 801. No problem because it is more. Okay, if this it is more, no problem. That means we will check for 801. We will check for 801. Now 2 and what is there? 4. 2 4s are 8. That means there is a chance of this number go by 4. Let's check. 260 by 4. 0 4 8 10. 1040. But we are checking for 801. That means it is greater. So we will check for which number? Less than 4. Just previous number of 4. That is 3. So let's check for 3. 260 and 3. 0 8 6 7. 780. That means 801 it will go by 3 7 8 0. Now subtract 1 2. What will do? This 8 will come down. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, now what we will do? But 800 after taking this down. Okay, after taking this 8 down, it is smaller. So what we will do? It will not go by 1 also. It will go by 0. Okay, another way you can think it. What? So you can take this 0. Okay, and put here 0. That means if you take down 2 digit at a time, then you have to put 1 0. Okay, so if in any sum, if there is any 1 digit required, so you take this down, okay, this digit and put here again 0. Okay, for extra 1 digit you have to put 1 0. Is it clear? So you can do that way also, but that multiply here the 0. Okay, otherwise you put directly 0 and take down that next digit. Is it clear? Now we will check for 2180. Now my dear student, look, it is 2 and it is 21. That means 2 tens are 20. We cannot take by 10. So check for 9. So 260 by 9. 0 54 18 and 5 23. 2340. Is it clear? So what you have seen, it is greater, so we cannot take 9. So we will check for 8. Just we will move back. 260 8 0 8 and it is 16 for 20 20. Now it is okay. So by 8 2080 001. Now take down 7. By 5 it will go. By 5 no, by 4. By 4 260 by 4. By 5 if you take it will be more. So 4 0 4 10. So it is also more. So what we will do? By 3 we will just move back. 260 by 3. 0 8 16 and 7. We already learned by 3 also. Look, by 3 here already we are also done in previous. You can check it from there. Now by 3 7 8 0. So 7 and here it is 2 and it is 2. Now is 1. Okay, 2 1. Look, by 8 already you are learned. 2080. By 9, shall we check? If we check by 9, 0 54 carry 5 18 and 5. Oh, by 3 5 also 9 also you are done. It is more. That means obviously it will go by 8. So again by 8 2080. So 1, this is 9 and here it is 1. This becomes the quotient, this becomes the remainder. Okay. Okay. Now question number 8. First write in this way. Okay, so first what we'll check, we'll check the digit, 3 digit, but if you take here 3 digit 511, it is smaller. So what we'll do, we'll check for 4 digit number, that is 5112. Okay, so after multiplying we'll check for this. Okay, so let's check. Look here 8 and here 51. That means which digit first we will take? 8, 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. Let's check for 6. So 871 into 6. So 6, 42, 2 carry 4, 48, 48 and 4, 52. It is greater. Okay, so just move back. Okay, let me check for 5. So 871 by 5. So 5, 35, 5 carry 3, 40, 43. Okay, now for 5 it will go 4, 3, 5, 5. Subtract. So 7, it is 6, it means 5 is 4, that means 7 is 0. Now what we'll do, take down 6. Okay, now it is 8 and here 75, that means 8 9s are 72, chance by 9. Okay, so 871 by 9. Okay, everyone understood how to choose the number? Here 8 and here 75, that is possible number we will choose, that means 8 9s are 72, that is possible. Okay, so if it is yes, correct, if it is more greater, then we take the previous digit. So by 9, 9 ones are 9, 6, 7 9s are 63, 6, 72, 72 and 6, 78. Check it. Oh, it is 75, it is 78. That means we have to move back. So by 8, 871 by 8, 8, 56, 64, 64, 64, 64 and 5, 69. 61 and 5, 69. Therefore, by 8, it will be 6968. Subtract. So it is 8, it is 0, it is 6, it is 0. So 608. Okay. Now take 9. Take 9. Okay. So which number will check? 60. 60. That means 7 8s are 56. Check for 7. Okay, so 871 by 7. So 7, 49, 56, 60. Yes. Oh no, it is greater. Here 89, here 97. So we have to move back. So 871 into 6. So 6, 42, carry 4. Okay. 48, 48, 48 and 4, 52. 52. So by 6 it will be 5 to 2, 6. Subtract 3, 6 and it will be 8. Now this 5. So by which number we will take? 8, 86. That means 8 tens are 80. No, by 9. Let's check for 9. 871 by 9. 9, 3, carry 6, 72 and 78. Yes. So by 9, 7, 8, 3, 9. So it is 6. It is 9. Next it is 7. It is 0. 7, 9, 6. Look, is there any digit left? No digit left. That means this becomes the remainder. So my dear students, right here quotient is equal to this 6 8 6 5 8 9 6 9 and remainder 796. Hope you understand the divisions of large numbers properly. Okay, practice so many questions you practice. Okay. So my dear student, your homework will be LCM self practice 5C, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 5. Okay, see this video, learn the technique, then do the homework yourself. Okay, thank you.